We're going to be making Kalamya's kimchi. I'm going to be making this into a series inspired by a Korean drinking game called Kimchi Game. It's a game wherein you go around in turns and say some ingredient. And kung saan you say an ingredient tas hindi siya lumabas sa internet, panalo ka. Future players ng Kimchi Game, if ever may manghula ng Kamya's Kimchi, hindi sila mananalo kasi may gumawa na. Ako. Thinly sliced. Oh. Kamya's kimchi. 괜찮지?
그냥보다 덜 신 것 같아.
Less maasim kapag ginawang kimchi.
솔트같이 위에 파티스가 들어갔어.
맛있다. 일랑, 바이.